Aduh.
Okey Okey. So pegang. So macam mana? Apa rasa pakai suit? Sekarang dah ada suit.
Alhamdulillah. Terima kasih kepada Kuramaker.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is King Rusdi. Welcome back to Kuramaker channel. So yes, today we are going to make another Gaim. Here, another Gaim. Okay, it's a Kamen Rider from ZO movie. I don't know if you guys know that, but yes, we are going to make this. Okay, I will teach you guys on how I make it and how I make the progress and stuff. It's really simple. You must have 5mm Eva Foam and craft it yourself using your own idea, what's in your head or the reference picture and stuff, and then you craft it at Eva Foam 5mm, and yes, after that you will coat it using PVA glue, that is white glue, and of course spray it and done. That is all. So this is the time lapse. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Comment in below if you guys wanted more content and what you guys think or any idea from you guys. So yes, let's get into the video. Let's go. Hello. Lambai. Ha, ni customer saya. Dia order suit another Gaim. Yes. So, kita nak interview, kena buka helmet. Let's go. So, pegang. So, macam mana? Apa rasa pakai suit? Sekarang dah ada suit.
Alhamdulillah, terima kasih kepada Kuramaker. Bagus, memang kualiti memang betul-betul awesome, terbaik. Bagus, terbaik.
Yeah. So, sikit. Okay, bila nak pakai suit ni? Bila nak pakai?
InsyaAllah time event kalau saya datang boleh. Event CF apa semua boleh lah saya datang.
Yeah. So, memang cosplay sejak bila Harry cosplay sejak bila? Memang dah lama ke or sekarang baru cosplay?
Saya cosplay agak start seingat saya dalam tahun 2015. Time tu just pakai yang cosplay yang biasa-biasa, simple-simple.
Lama juga. Senpai guys. Senpai. So, puas hati okay
So, bagus, puas hati. Alhamdulillah, kualiti memang terbaik. Bagus.
Mantap. Thank you guys Okay. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. I am really sorry if I don't have any close-up footage of the suit, but yes, because I am so focused on making this suit and I forget to make the close-up thingy. Anyways, you guys just wanted to see the results and this is the results. So if you guys have any question, please comment it below. I will try to answer it as the best as I can and stuff. And yes, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Kuramaker, and yes, we will have more content soon. And don't forget